It was 20 years ago today that standards came to save the day. Now we see they're going out of style, but the new ones guarantee a smile. So may I introduce to you the standards known as Common Core, teachers of Manteca Unified. It's wonderful to be here. These days are such a thrill. We're happy to have 2 full days so we can all go out to lunch, I don't really want to change the mood since we're talking about delicious food, but we need to learn a little more about those standards known as Common Core. So let me introduce to you the one and only way to go. Teachers of Manteca Unified. What would you think if we worked as a team? Would you like to share ideas with me? Lend us your thoughts and creativity, and we'll try to help each one succeed. Oh, Common Core with a little help from our friends. Lessons galore with a little help from our friends. Learning more with a little help from our friends. What's the best way to adopt Common Core? Have you taken time to read them all? Will I have district support to explore? We are here, you only need to call. Oh, Common Core with a little help from our friends. Lessons galore with a little help from our friends. Learning more with a little help from our friends. Do you need some assistance? Yes, please, don't just give me a book. Could we be of some assistance? I need to see how it looks. Would you believe that in MUSD we have teachers coming up with a plan? With knowledge and care, we will all find success, 'cause together I am certain that we can. Oh, Common Core with a little help from our friends. Lessons galore with a little help from our friends. Learning more with a little help from our friends. Oh, Common Core with a little help from our friends. With a little help from our friends. Aren't you proud to be MUSD?